In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive all archived emails in Gmail. If you've ever archived messages and now want them back in your inbox, this walkthrough will make the process clear and quick. First, open your Gmail in a web browser and make sure you're signed in. We're going to use the search bar at the top to gather all the archived messages in one place. Click inside the search bar and type the following exactly as you hear it: in, then a colon, followed by the word archive, a space, and then the word all. When you run that search, Gmail will display the emails that are archived so you can work with them together. Think of this search as your filter that pulls out what you've tucked away, making it easier to manage everything at once. Once your archived emails appear, go to the top left of the message list and click the main checkbox to select them. You'll see that all the messages on the current page are highlighted. If you notice a banner offering to select all conversations that match this search, click it to truly mark everything, not just the first page. This is helpful if you've archived a lot of emails over time and want to bring them all back in one go. With everything selected, move your mouse over the highlighted list and right-click to open the menu. From that menu, choose Move To and then select Inbox. Gmail will apply that change to all selected messages. Depending on how many emails you're moving, it may take a moment. Don't worry, nothing is being deleted. Moving messages to the inbox simply restores their visibility there, while any labels they had remain attached. After the move, you should see your inbox repopulate with those conversations. If you acted by mistake, look for the brief undo option that appears at the bottom of Gmail right after the change, and click it to reverse the move. Otherwise, you're done. Your archived emails are now back where you can see and manage them alongside your regular messages. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your inbox feels crowded, consider applying labels or starring key messages before you archive or unarchive, so they're easy to find later. And remember, archiving is a way to tidy your inbox without losing emails. Unarchiving just makes them visible again. That's it. You've successfully unarchived your emails in Gmail and brought them back to your inbox.